Hello, and this is the watermelon bike check. Sunday. Alright, first we got the Odyssey 12-bolt cranks. They're pretty different. They're just one bolt on the other side. And then we got the Aaron Ross Pro frame, I guess. Just the Odyssey front load stem, Odyssey space bars, Aaron Ross grips. Who cares about bar ends? And then we got the Odyssey Vandero front hub, which is female, so it's good for grinding and stuff. The pegs didn't come with the bike, so yeah, I'll put those on after. Just the regular Odyssey pedals. Pretty cool because they got the pink little cap there. Kind of goes with the rest of the bike. Odyssey V3 hub. It's really loud for me. Yeah. Regular chain. Just what does that even say? I have no idea. Just a chain. 25 tooth Sunday original sprocket, I guess. Odyssey quadrant rims, front and back. Got the Aaron Ross tires, specialized keyboards. There's like a bunch of writing there. Can't really see, but pretty cool. Don't know what kind of forks those are. They're just regular forks, I guess. They get smaller at the bottom. I don't know what that's called. There's a certain name for it, but I don't know what it's called. And then we got the Odyssey pivotal seat. Yep, definitely pivotal. Put your Anki in there, good to go. What am I forgetting? Not that much. I mean, it's a decent bike and all. It's definitely worth the money, I guess. Except I've had this bike for maybe 2-3 weeks already, and I don't know if you guys will be able to see this, but there is a crack right there in my bars. I don't know if that's just a manufacturer thing. There's another one in here too. Not right on the welds, but right above the welds. So yeah, right at the welds. I'm gonna take it back to where I got it from, and just see if I can get replacement bars, because this is bogus. Bars shouldn't be breaking in like a week, because I wasn't hitting like 40-foot drops or anything. But yeah, it's not the lightest bike. I mean, it's 25 pounds, so I'm sure you can make it lighter because the stem is pretty heavy. So, oh yeah, so what's different about this bike is cool little ripples they got on the bottom. Like, if you don't know if you can hear, but those are ripples. There's a bunch of them on the bottom. Yep. It feels like a solid bike when you ride it, so I recommend getting it for sure. Like, don't get it if you're just starting biking, because it's quite a lot of money. I paid $1,000 for it, but I live in Canada, so I had to get it shipped in, I guess. One thing I forgot, just the C-clamp. It's a pink Sunday C-clamp, so I took the brakes off. They were the clear pads, so that means they would not affect the paint on the rims, so I've been told. I don't know if that's true or not. I just didn't want to risk it, so I took the brakes right off. Sadly, the brake mounts are welded on, as you can see. But whatever, it's all good. You just saw that off, I guess, if you wanted. Yeah, so it's a pretty. It stands out for sure. The bike. I mean, I recommend getting it for sure. It rides pretty decent. I mean, it sounds amazing to boot. Yeah. That's about all I have to say about this bike. Yeah, just hook up some pegs. For sure, you need red pegs. And hub guard. Did not come with the bike. So yeah, don't expect pegs and a hub guard with the bike because it's not going to be coming. You need to buy it separately. Yeah, so this is my new bike, and I hope you guys like the bike check that I did for you.